This specific tutorial focuses on how and when faculty members might issue an independent alert about a student of concern. Faculty members have the opportunity to issue an alert for any student at any time. Alerts are a way to draw attention to a student who may potentially be at risk. There are times when a faculty member might wish to share feedback concerning a student, but does not know how because either the student is not part of a monitored population for the early alert progress report and therefore does not show up on the limited roster, or the early alert feedback timeframe has closed. In the event a faculty member wishes to provide feedback and bring attention to a potentially at-risk student and cannot do so via the early alert process, they may log into their SSC Campus account through the Faculty and Staff Hub using the link titled Student Success Collaborative under the Advising and Degree Planning menu. Once logged in, a faculty member can select the student's name from their class roster presented on their homepage. Alternatively, the faculty member can select Issue an Alert from the right-hand side of their home screen under the Actions menu, and then complete the fields that open in the accompanying pop-up box. When an alert is issued for certain alert reasons, a case may be automatically created in SSC Campus. These cases alert various participants of the Campus Support Network, including advisors, success coaches, and administrators, who in turn conduct outreach to the student.